Wilderness Explorers. We're gonna enjoy Pixar Fest once again.
Yeah, but it's freezing out, so got my coat. Every morning should start with a treat.
So I took the Treasure Island, which is basically a sundae with brownie, and I had them convert it into a Land's End, which is basically has the sea salt, the caramel, doesn't have nuts, but it's pretty much like this. And the reason why is because the Land's End is huge. It has a full brownie. This just has half a brownie. And for Kelsey and I to share that one, it's a little too much. So we're just gonna share this one, and it looks amazing. So it's a Treasure Island turned into a Land's End.
Pixar pals. Jake, what are we gonna go do?
We're gonna go meet some Pixar friends.
Look who you can meet. How cute is this? It's a little pavilion. Hi guys!
Perfect. All right, thank you.
Bye, thank you. We just met these two in person.
Mike and Sully.
Yeah. What did you think?
They were nice.
Yeah.
Not too scary.
Mike liked your beard. I meant Sully. I get them confused.
They both liked it.
Yeah. They were like Redwood Creek Challenge Trail.
This is for Wilderness Explorers.
Yep, that's you.
We're gonna go check it out.
Chip and Dale are out.
So we are just here exploring
It's
the
Cedar
Redwood
Woods Trail.
and because we're Wilderness Explorers and that's what we do.
One thing that we need to work on as Wilderness Explorers is knowing the names of things.
Yes, step number one.
And then Jake's badge says
I help the
assisting
elderly. And Kelsey is a senior Wilderness Explorer, so
I feel like we've got to do a little training.
yeah, helping older people.
Yeah, maybe let's go find Chip and Dale and get some advice.
Okay.
We're learning about
Well, the Walketti frog, she swallowed the moon, and because of her pride, now every frog's mouth is incredibly wide.
nom 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 nom. Toolilu.
He played on the flute till the chief fell asleep, and took back the fire to his people to keep.
Dun dun dun. Here goes Jake. Woo! That was really quick.
You have to hoop. That's hoop caller. So when you're a Wilderness Explorer, you learn about crystals and rocks.
You do. We have ports where we live.
This would be a cool outpost.
I think we need to put one in our next home.
That's a great idea.
Jake just found out he's too tall to go on these. Dang it all. How was it?
That was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fun.
You're like a pro on those rocks.
Oh, thanks.
To the spirit cave.
Paw print to discover the animal whose qualities you share.
Ooh, cool. I like these hieroglyphs. All right, Jake.
We're gonna see what kind of animal I get.
Ooh. Whoa. What's it gonna be?
I'm a coyote.
Wow, that's awesome.
That's so cool.
We're heading under the sea.
Ariel's adventure.
Yep.
Yeah.
I want to see flounder.
We want the land that's loves to cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles. Life is troubles under the sea. Under the sea.
I just spotted Zeke.
Hi guys, we're
There he is.
We'll be back in a little bit. He's right up.
Bye, Mooney. We'll see you later. Well, who's that thing down there?
Oh! You two are the cutest.
That's so cute.
Aww. They love each other. That was so cute. We stopped by the bakery for some cute treats. It's a Pixar cake pop.
And a Mike Wazowski Rice Krispie treat.
He looks really yummy.
I cannot wait to eat him.
Yeah. That's the fun of treats. It's playing with them.
Mike Wazowski. Cecilia, try to understand.
Tachos only for Friday.
Hi, can we get an order of the tacos?
Awesome. Just ordering from this food truck. We ordered the most dangerous tacos in the galaxy, a Milano drink, and what was today's special?
We got some special tots.
Here's our tacos. Whoop, whoop. Our tachos. And a fun looking drink. How is it?
Orangey.
Oh, that looks yummy. What's your review of tachos?
They combine everything I love.
You like them?
And like cheese and sauce and yum.
Lauren. Cool. Goofy Slide School, let's do this.
We're on Goofy's Fly School right now.
It's been a long time.
Lesson 1, how to take off. That's awesome.
Congratulations, graduates.
We did it.
On the opening ground crew.
So this is a place where you can write love notes to friends.
Yeah, and we got fun little stickers. We just picked up a jalapeno cream cheese filled pretzel.
I think it's just jalapeno cheese. I don't think it's cream cheese.
I think it's jalapeno cream cheese.
No, they had a cream cheese one and then this one's jalapeno cheese. I think it's just white cheese. How is it?
Good.
Let me try.
I might just get cheese.
Yeah, this is jalapeno cheese, but it's awesome.
Get ready. We have a visitor. In Radiator Springs.
What do I need to be fast?
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon! Here's to you guys. Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there.
That was fast and awesome.
Have a great
And we won.
Always a plus. Porno plenty. And this choo-choo train. We have to go one last time. It's my favorite ride in all of California Adventure. Here comes Heimlich. Heimlich. Run.
Help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. I see a big carrot. Carrots are orange, just like candy corn. love treats and sweets. They are my favorite things to eat. I'm so full I cannot move. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Now you back for a second. Oh, my favorite candy corn.
How cute is this tablecloth and coloring area? It's so darling. Should we color, Jake?
Yeah, we probably should.
All right, let's get going. And for the final touch, you gotta sign it. Woo! Goodbye. So Bugsland is seriously my favorite, and I'm so sad it's closing.
Probably our last time here.
I know, it's like really, like we said our last goodbyes last time we were here and spent a lot of time, but now it's like the
Really
official
saying
goodbye, and it makes me sad. Woody's trying to get out. See you real soon.